I can't do, what is it called? Hand puppets? No, I don't know what it's called. Whatever. No annoying thing at the beginning of the video this week, so that's pretty cool. Hi, pals. Welcome to the channel. Welcome to Beater Box Friday. I am SB Mitch. You can follow me on Twitter and Instagram at the handle on your screen right now. Below that is my website, sbmitch.com. That's where you can find all of these shoes for sale at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time today. This box is like every other box, basically. It's from Sole Supremacy. Check them out, solesupremacy.com, Sole Supremacy, at Sole Supremacy on Twitter. Use their Twitter, because their Twitter is way more informative and Instagram is just kind of a bunch of BS. This box, 825 bucks, plus 40 bucks to ship it here to Chicago, Illinois, home of the 2020 Resellers Convention, for a grand total of 865 buckaroos. Hey, look, there's a counter. Its name is clearance. It's going to be letting you know how much each shoe is worth on the secondary market based on size, condition, and other various factors. Then I'm going to take the entire value of the box, break it down at the end to show you how much I paid versus how much the box is actually worth, because that's the whole idea, is to make some money off of these boxes. So let's open the box, see what's going on in here. If you guys didn't check out my video yesterday of the Strangelove Dunk Low SB, check it out, because there's details of a giveaway. I'm doing a giveaway with my good friend He Got Kicks and new friend The Vintage, so that goes on till next Wednesday, so definitely check that out. The video is right up there. You can check that out, because I'm not going to go over the giveaway details in this video, because that's not what happens here. So, all right, this box is open. So this first one without box is a LeBron 12 Low. There it is right there. I think they're just called carbon fiber because there's carbon fiber all over the side here. These are worn. What size are these? Size 12. I mean, it's a LeBron 12 Low. It's kind of interesting upper. It's a lot of mesh, a lot of details going on here. These are in pretty decent shape too, so not a lot of wear on the bottoms. The other one's just good shape, just no box. So there you go. First shoe out, a size 12 LeBron 12 Low. With a lot of 12s in there. If you're interested in that shoe or any other shoes, remember my website, sbmitch.com, 6 p.m. today. Check it out. Another shoe without a box. This is a Jordan 9 Low in a size 13. These actually look unworn. I don't know what this colorway is called, but boy, oh boy, is it bright. Speckled midsole. It's got green. It's got like orangish pink kind of thing going on with it. You can see there's no creasing. There's not like wear on the bottoms or anything, so these are probably unworn, but size 13, Jordan 9. I don't know what the value is on these, but it is a new shoe just with no box, so interesting. Shoes with boxes. Let's see what's going on here. We have a size 6 NMD City Sock 2 Prime Net. I don't know what SE stands for. Oh, these are collaboration with Naked. It says on the box. So these are worn, but very lightly. Wow, hardly at all. There you go. It's a City Sock, so there's no lacing. It's got this weird stripe up the middle of it. Full boost midsole, gum outsole. It's got the white bumpers. It's a good size for something like this because it's base size, but there is a little bit of discoloration towards the midsole. I mean, if someone would have put shoe trees in here, I wouldn't have been able to tell if they were dead stock or not. Maybe the creasing on this little stripe thing here, but there you go. Size 6, City Sock 2, something or other. No. Size 10, Nike Air SKYLON 2. This is a Fear of God, Jerry Lorenzo's clothing brand collaboration with Nike. This is the white colorway. These are worn, but very lightly. Here's the extra laces. Cool. Slick looking shoe. It's basically a runner. It's got the lace lock. There's a little bit of outsole wear. Materials on these are very nice. This is like really soft suede or something. I don't know what that is, but you can see, I don't know if you can't see, but it says Fear of God here on the ankle. Fear of God branding on the insole. This is actually a really nice shoe if you're into that kind of thing. Patent leather swoosh. Wow. Good summer shoe. Pretty decent size too for its shape. I don't know what the retail is on these, but I know these are probably under retail now, but still, very nice shoe. Size 10, Fear of God SKYLONs. Huh. Next up, some kind of Nike box. We got a Nike FLYKNIT Racer in a size 11, if this is the correct box. Sure is. Boy, are these worn. No, they're not worn, they're just a little bit dirty. So Rejuvenator is gonna get these things good. Remember to use my code SBMitch30 the entire month of February to save 30% off of any order that's $30 or more at rejuvenator.com. This is the Knit by Night FLYKNIT Racer. I only know that because I've gotten these before. So full black knit upper, white midsole. Outsoles are pretty dirty, but they'll be able to clean up really, really nicely. There is damage here though. You can see flap, 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 flap. So these are definitely throw-ins. Yeah, these are gonna be super cheap, just so you know. Size 11, FLYKNIT Racer. Let's see, what do we got here? A size 10.5, Nike Air Max Plus Quick Strike. Ooh, okay. These are the metallic gold Air Max Pluses. These are really nice condition. No scuffing on the mud guard. A little bit of wear on the outsoles, but overall, this is a really nice shoe. Size 10.5 is a great size. It's got the original inserts. It says Nike AI on the inside, so that's kind of creepy. Not a fan of the Air Max Plus myself. Just reminds me of a 95, to be honest with you, so. There you go, really nice condition, size 10.5, Air Max Plus, metallic gold. Probably plays off of the metallic 97, one of the more popular models. I'm saving Yeezys, 2 Yeezys for the last 2 because why not? Next up we got a size 10.5 Jordan 4 Laser, it's probably the white one. This pair was crazy hyped at one point in time and it is definitely not anymore. These are in great shape, hardly any star loss, but there you go. Jordan 4 Lasers. Way. Yeah, that helps a little bit. There's no midsole paint cracking anywhere. The outsoles are in really great shape, just a little bit of discoloration from wear, but they'll clean up really nicely. With this, you'd see this laser etching all over the upper. Very interesting shoe. Very few signs of wear. I mean, you can see the size tag, sticker, whatever thing is still in there. So 10.5, good size, great shoe to get. Value on these is probably not that great anymore though, just because it is kind of a goofy shoe. So Jordan 4 Lasers, size 10.5. And it's apparently 2018 because I'm saving Yeezys for the last 2. We got a size, I don't even know. It's a 350 though. Okay, so it is a 350, size 12. They're worn. There we go, that looks a little bit more natural. So it's a 350 V2. This is the clay colorway. Very lightly worn, hardly any wear on the bottom. Very little heel drag. No discoloration on the boost. Let's check the insole. The insole looks to be in good shape too. Most of the branding is still on the insole, at least on the right shoe. Left one's probably the same. In a size 12, I don't know how much these are going for. I know the retail on these was $220. These are probably going for like maybe $250 to $275, I would guess. I don't really know. I'm not an ADIDAS guy, but there you are. Nice little pop of orange on the pull tab on the back there, which is pretty cool. So size 12, clay Yeezys. I think that was the very first like regional release they ever did. I could be wrong though, because I don't know anything about ADIDAS. Continuing on ADIDAS, got a size 12, 350 V2. Oh, cool, all right, this is a good one to get. So these are worn. Boy, are they gonna need to be cleaned up, but overall the wear is pretty minimal. It's just dirty. These are the Beluga 2.0s. The original Beluga was a little bit lighter and had a bright red or bright orange stripe along the side. These are in really good shape actually. There's just a little bit of wear on the bottoms. It's dirt, it just has to be cleaned off, but there's no drag. All this dirt on here will be really easy to get off actually. So the insole, at least on the right shoe, no letters are missing, so that's very good. They don't smell weird or anything. There's no damage. Yeah, great shape, about the same, just needs to be cleaned up. Very cool, this is actually a pretty good one to end on. So there's your last shoe, a size 12, Beluga 2.0. A lot of shoes that are gonna be good this summer, so I can't really complain about this. So that is your $825 Sole Supremacy beater box. Let's take a look at the numbers and see how much money we can possibly make here. Break down! I think this is a pretty okay box. I mean, those FLYKNIT Racers are kind of like a throw-in, but I mean, pretty decent box. Let me know down below in the comments what you think of this box, because I think it's good. I think you're good too. If you're interested in any of these shoes, they'll be available today on my website, sbmitch.com at 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Make sure to keep an eye on $50 February. That is going on until February 29th. And be sure to check out the giveaway I'm doing with KITH and Vintage World. So all that stuff is down below in the video description. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I really, really appreciate it. If you're already subscribed, thank you. Seriously, it means a lot to me because I do this for fun. This is a hobby for me. So the fact that you're enjoying my hobby is even better. So see you next time. Probably some kind of vlog video or something because All-Star Weekend is going on tomorrow and Sunday. So till next time, take care of each other and remember to make it fun because shoes are supposed to be fun. Toodles.